going to be farmers.
Farmers?
It's another dress-up day. It's our favourite game to play.
This is my very first time on a farm.
No worries, I know all about farms. These are horses. Ah!
They're just sleeping, lovely carrot.
It must be really early, Chloe. Even the sun is still asleep.
I've never seen that before.
You see lots of new things in my world.
A cow, just like in my drawing. Let's go say hi. There's so very, very many.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of them.
Hello, cows. Lollipops, they're loud.
Quiet, ladies! Quiet! Sorry about the noise, folks.
Ooh, a doggy, like Sprinkles.
I'm Freddy, the farmer's dog. The cows are just upset because the farmer hasn't been in to milk them yet.
Milk comes from cows?
Yep. It's strange. The farmer is always up by now doing his chores.
Poor cow. Can we help?
Well, the milking is usually done by a machine, but I suppose you could do it the old-fashioned way.
I know how to milk a cow, Chloe. You put the bucket here, then pump the milk out. This cow must be empty.
It's not a good idea to grab a cow's tail, lovely carrot. Chloe has the right idea.
I can do that. Hey! Stop that!
You might want to warm your hands before trying that again, Jet.
It worked!
That milk looks yummy.
I don't really like plain milk. I like it flavoured.
Strawberry-flavoured milk. Coming up.
Yummy!
How about that? Pink milk.
Stuff like this happens a lot in Chloe's world.
Well, the farmer would surely love to see that. I wonder where he could be.
Maybe he's doing another chore. After we finish here, we can help you look for him.
You're very kind, Miss Chloe.
Yeah, stop!
He likes you, Mac. Yay! Are we supposed to take care of all these sheep, Chloe? Uh-huh. How many? Let's count them. 1, 2. Good for you. 3, 4. And there's more. 5, 6. You got a kiss.
7, 8. Shut the gate!
We have 8 sheep to watch, lovely carrot.
Uh-huh. 8 sheep.
Play with Mac. We can't play Mac. We have to look after the sheep. Yay! Follow the leader. Fun! Fun! It does look like fun. Maybe we can play and watch the sheep. Hooray! No, we lead now. All around the meadow we go, following the leader, going over and going through. Follow the leader. We're the cow-herding cowhands.
Ah,
Come
Chloe.
Thank you, lovely carrot.
Hey! Hey, careful!
Horses love carrots.
Go on, Riley. Climb aboard.
He's tall and I'm short. I know. Sit.
Huh?
Up, horsey.
I've never seen a cowboy get on a horse like that before, Riley.
Haha, it works for me. Okay, cowhands, let's ride.
Yeehaw! Is this fun or what?
Herding cows is very fun.
Yeehaw, yeehaw, oh!
Hey, wake up, partners.
Huh?
Let's do what the cowpokes do. Cool. Wow.
Look at that!
Yeah, woohoo! Yay! Yeehaw!
Let me try. Woohoo! Just like a real cowboy.
Now try roping a little doggy.
There are no dogs here, Cookie Carrot.
Doggy is cowboy talk for a little calf, Jet.
Oh, you mean like that one? Yeehaw! Come along, little doggy. Hey, you're not a doggy.
Nope. Do you want to try bringing in the calf, Riley? Okay. Yeehaw! Oops. Try again. Yeehaw! This isn't working. I know. Here, boy. Come get the carrot. Good boy. Hooray! You brought him in.
I've never seen that in a cowboy movie.
Your turn, lovely carrot.
Woohoo! Give a duck some room. Yeehaw! Oops. Ah.
Woo! Look at me. I'm a horse rider.
Oh, where's Chloe?
Tally-ho! This is Mandy. She can jump really high. Watch.
No, Chloe! This jump is 1, 2, 3, 4 rails high!
No worries, lovely carrot. Mandy can do it.
Whoa!
Hooray! Yay! Yay, Mandy!
Oh.
That was brilliant. Thanks. But it was Mandy who did all the work. Right, Mandy? We were a team, Chloe. Mandy can talk? She can in my world. Lou, watch, Lou, watch. Sit! I can't watch you, Mac. I'm watching the sheep. Roll over. Big. Stop playing, Mac. Dance! Look, Mac. I'm supposed to be... Wow! He's really amazing. Funny dance.
Ma.
Hello, boy. You're okay? We're gonna get you out. If we can get a rope around his waist, maybe we can pull him out.
Let me try. Oh, I missed. I'll try again. Missed again.
I'll fly down there and do it. Don't worry, boy. I'm just going to...
Maybe we should try a different way. Like what? Well, he likes you. Sing to him. That will calm him down.
But that's not the way a cowboy would do it.
Maybe not, but it just might work.
Put this rope around your waist. Yee-haw, yee-haw.
Ma.
Sing some more, Riley.
Hurry, there's no time to waste. Yee-haw, yee-haw.
Ma.
With a tug here and a pull there. Here a pull, there a tug, everywhere a pull tug. Rescuing a favorite cow. Yee-haw, yee-haw.
Yee-haw!
Let's ski! Woohoo!
Flying feathers. He's going really fast.